Hey Andre, what's going on? You've been liking the Tong Ling Chi Kung system, huh?
Yeah, I like these exercises a lot.
Cool.
So, because of my back pain, it started maybe 5 years ago, maybe 7 years ago.
All started in the sacrum, huh?
Yeah, no, here in Mingmen.
Yeah, the Mingmen. Okay, so the bottom 6 vertebrae.
Yeah. So you see, with age, like after 45,
yeah,
you start having back pain.
Mm.
And even I was doing other type of Qigong, it still didn't solve the problem. But I feel these exercises are really touching the spot.
Yeah, the Tong Ling Chi Kung system, and I tell people this all the time, but only people that practice it really know.
Yeah.
It's made for increasing the recovery of the body, specifically in the tendons and the ligaments, so that you can train Kung Fu harder. But it develops the core strength in the spine, which is exactly what he's been missing, which is why he's having this back pain.
Yeah, exactly.
So you need to learn this before you're 55, 60, 65 years old, guys.
I would say 45.
He would say 45. You need to learn this before you're 45, and that's being nice.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's when I started having pain.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
At 45.
Definitely, guys, if you guys have back pain, let me know. I mean,
and I'm telling you, I was doing Tai Chi, Qigong, all kinds of stuff, but because sitting too much, sitting a lot, I mean, 8 hours a day, that kills your back.
There you go. Yeah. I definitely try not to sit for 8 hours a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good.